Points to be covered. Blood. Function of blood. Human blood groups from where the blood is supplied for blood transfusion. Blood pressure, hypertension, high blood pressure. Blood is red colored fluid. It is fluid connective tissue. Oxygenated blood is deep red color, salty in taste, and its pH is 7.4. Blood is composed of mainly two components. We'll see those components here. It is plasma. Plasma is pale yellow color, clear and slightly alkaline fluid. It contains 90 to 92% water, 6 to 8% proteins, and 1 to 2 proteins, inorganic salts, and other components. B. Albumin distributes the water all over the body. Globulin, protection. Fibrinogen and prothrombin helps in blood clotting process. Inorganic ions, that is calcium, sodium, potassium, controls the function of muscles and nerves. Now we'll see blood cells. Red blood corpuscles, small circular enucleated cells. This cells appears red due to hemoglobin. Oxygen dissolved in blood due to the hemoglobin. 50 to 60 lakhs RBCs are present in each cubic millimeter of blood. RBCs are produced in red bone marrow and live for about 100 to 127 days. White blood cells, that is WBCs, these are large, nucleated and colorless cells. 5,000 to 10,000 WBCs are present per millimeter cube of blood. 5 types of WBCs are present, that is basophil, eosinophils, neutrophils, monocytes and lymphocytes. WBCs are produced in red bone marrow. WBCs act as a soldier in our body. Function of these cells attacks the pathogen entering our body and they protect us from microbial disease. Platelets, these are extremely small and disc shaped. 2.5 to 4 lakhs platelets are present per millimeter cube of blood. Function, platelets participate in blood clotting process. Function of blood, we'll see first one, transport of gases. Oxygen is carried via blood from lungs to cells in the various part of body and carbon dioxide from tissues to lungs. Transport of nutrients, that is simple nutrients like glucose, amino acid, fatty acids are taken up by blood from the walls of alimentary canal and transport up to each cell in the body. Transport of waste material, nitrogenous waste like ammonia, urea, creatine are released by tissues into blood which carries those to kidney for excretion. Protection, antibodies are produced in the blood and they protect the body from microbes and other harmful particles. Transport of enzymes and hormones, blood transport enzymes and hormones from the site of their production to a site of their action. Thermoregulation, the body temperature is maintained constant at 37 degrees by vasodilation and vasoconstriction. Maintaining the balance of minerals like sodium, potassium in body. If bleeding occurs at an injury, the platelets and the protein called fibrinogen of the blood forms a clot and seals the injury. Human blood group, depending upon the proteins like antigens and antibodies, different blood groups are formed, and there are 4 main groups of human blood as A, B, AB and O. Besides, there are 2 types of Rh negative and Rh positive of each of these 4 groups. Thus, in all 8 blood groups are formed. For example, ARH positive and ARH negative. Blood donation, if a person meets an accident, bleeding occurs through the wound. Many times a blood transfusion is necessary during the surgical operation. Similarly, blood is transfused in case of patients of anemia, thalassemia, cancer too. Blood transfusion is carried out to compensate the blood shortage in the body. This is called as blood transfusion. Blood groups are hereditary and depends upon the genes inherited from parents. Blood transfusion is performed only after the blood group matching. From where the blood is supplied for blood transfusion? Blood banks. Blood is collected in blood banks by specific method from healthy person and supplied to the needful person. If the collected blood is not to be used immediately, it can be stored for some days in refrigerator. Blood donor. Person who donates the blood is referred to as blood donor. Blood recipient. The person who receives the blood is referred to as recipient. The person of blood group O can be donor of blood to person having any other blood groups, whereas a person with AB blood group can receive the blood from the person with any other blood group. Hence, the person of a blood group O is called as universal donor and the person with a blood group AB is called as universal recipient. If it is done without matching, it may prove fatal for the patient. Person who donates the blood may be recipient in future. Blood donation without any exception is always life-saving. Blood is required in various situations like accident, bleeding, parturition means giving birth to a young child, surgical operation, etc. Blood donated by a healthy person is used to save the life of the needful person. Hence, blood donation is considered the best donation. Blood pressure. Blood is continuously kept flowing through the blood vessels due to the contraction and relaxation of heart. Due to the contraction of heart, the pressure is exerted on the walls of arteries and it is called as blood pressure. Proper blood pressure is necessary to supply the blood in all the parts of body. The pressure recorded during the contraction of the heart is called as systolic pressure. That one recorded during the relaxation is called as diastolic pressure. Blood pressure of the healthy person is about 120 per 80 mm to 139 to 89 mm of Hg. Hypertension, high blood pressure. High blood pressure than the normal is referred as hypertension. In arteries of person with a hypertension, unnecessary tension develops. Heart needs to perform more functions than the normal condition in case of hypertension. Both systolic and diastolic pressures are high in hypertension. Blood production occurs continuously in our body. About 350 ml of blood is collected from a person during donation and our body restores the fluid part of it within 24 hours. Pregnant and breastfeeding women cannot donate the blood. There is no trouble during or after the blood donation. 1st October is observed as a National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. Healthy person of age more than 18 years can donate the blood for 3 to 4 times a year. Now we'll see the type. Systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. Normal blood pressure 90 to 119 mm and diastolic pressure is 60 to 79 mm. Primary hypertension is 120 to 139 mm and diastolic is 80 to 89 mm. Hypertension stage 1, systolic pressure is 140 to 159 mm and diastolic pressure is 90 to 99 mm, and hypertension stage 2, it is greater than 160 mm and diastolic greater than 100 mm. ABO blood group were discovered by Karl Landsteiner in 1900. He won the Nobel Prize in 1930 for this discovery. Blood group AB was discovered by De Castello and Sterling in 1902.